How many indulge me? Raise your hand if you've seen Eyes of the Totem. Hands down. Raise your hand if you've never seen Eyes of the Totem. Oh, fantastic. Great. So my name's Mick Flaaen. I work in production. I have a local company here. And I was fortunate enough to work on the restoration and then the preservation of Eyes of the Totem. We have been looking for this film for a long time. And a young woman named Lauren Hookhamer was on maternity leave. She worked in the city preservation office. And she did a deep dive and found in W.S. Van Dyke's papers at MoMA a copy of Eyes of the Totem. Michael Sullivan, local historian, some of you may know, put a team together, and thank God I was included. We got to work, and we paid for a digital copy, and we brought the film back and did a little bit of work on it. Most of it was in fantastic shape. It was missing some credits and had a few tears in it, but for the most part, we sat in this very theater when it came finally after a couple weeks, and we sat here, and I'll never forget that night. It was just a magical night of seeing Tacoma in 1926. So you're going to see lots of things tonight. You're going to see Annie Wright's School, you're going to see Tidlow Beach, and a few other things, mainly specifically the downtown area of Pacific Avenue. Eyes of the Totem came from Weaver Studios. Weaver Studios existed from 1924 to 1927 at the very end of 6th Avenue. They made 3 films. The first one was Hearts and Fists, the second was Eyes of the Totem, and the last one was The Heart of the Yukon. This film that you're going to see today was the second. It was written by W.S. Van Dyke and directed by him. And they used the city's totem pole as a fixture in the story. I think he was really attracted to the idea of those eyes that were on top of that. That somehow the magical eyes that we see film through and we look through and see things seem to become a motif that you'll see in the film. It stars Wanda Hawley and Tom Sanchi. Tom Sanchi plays our villain today, and he had a big reputation for always being very physical in his films. In 1914, he starred in a film called The Spoilers, where both actors agreed to just go at it for real, no stunt bit. And to this day, there's an aficionado of people who collect fight films and scenes from fight films, and that one is the premiere one. You're going to see a big fight at the end of this, not to give it away, but this is a melodrama, and they threw everything in the soup when they made these. So they'll put in a love story, they'll put in revenge, sacrifice, and of course we have this fight. I hope you enjoy today's screening. I'll be around if you have any questions after the show. Thank you.